In this episode of the Home Studio Show, I've got audio tech news from Behringer and Aston microphones. Also, a Grand Theft Auto remix challenge. I've got free plugins, including a fun one that's surprisingly useful, plus much more. I'm Zane. Welcome to the Home Studio Show, where I aim to help you find new tools for your home studio by providing audio tech news and reviews. Links for everything mentioned in this episode are down in the description, so let's jump in. And first up in audio tech news is Music Tribe have announced the acquisition of Aston microphones. Music Tribe is the umbrella company for Behringer, Clark Technic, Midas, plus many other brands. Aston microphones have quickly become a brand that's known for making quality mics that aren't just copies of other microphones. Their high-quality mics have won several awards, including the NAMM Tech Award for Best Microphone in 2020. And what this acquisition means for the future of Aston mics is unknown at the moment. Hopefully they'll keep the same high-quality standards that Aston have worked hard to maintain. And if you've been interested in grabbing an Aston mic, I would suggest purchasing it now, as the stock will still be from the Aston microphones and you know the quality that you're going to be getting. But who knows, maybe nothing changes, as Music Tribe seems to be keeping the Aston headquarters and the staff. Next up in audio tech news is Beatport and LoopCloud have teamed up with Rockstar Games' Grand Theft Auto to host the GTA Remix Challenge. Grand Theft Auto is celebrating the launch of GTA Online's latest musical update, which includes a new virtual club, the music locker, residencies from world-class DJs, and more. So entrants into this challenge are invited to remix Pool Song by Grand Theft Auto featured artist Lee Porcelain. And the winner will be selected by a panel of judges, including members of Beatport and the label Lee Porcelain Recordings. The prize is pretty huge. The winning remix will get an official release on Lee Porcelain Recordings, and the track will be premiered on Beatportal, plus there's a $6,000 prize package, including a Native Instruments S4 controller, a pair of Genelec 8020D monitor speakers, 1-year LoopCloud subscription, customized Roland V Moda headphones, plus so much more, including a GTA prize pack. And if you sign up right now for the 30-day free trial of LoopCloud, you're going to get an exclusive GTA drum instrument, plus the Audio Damage Dub Station 2 plugin and 500 megabytes of samples, plus much more. And all of that stuff is yours to keep even if you don't continue on with the membership. I'll link to the contest and LoopCloud down in the description so you can get more info on both. Up next in audio tech news is the release of Ujam Beatmaker Nemesis. This is the 8th plugin in the Ujam Beatmaker series. Nemesis is designed for aggressive, powerful, dark, and futuristic music. The mix presets provide different types of distortion and compression, giving you a tough and punchy sound that will cut through any mix. Ujam Beatmaker Nemesis is available on Mac and Windows, with pricing starting at $49 for the full version, but there are discounts for crossgrades from other Ujam plugins. Next up is the release of Dragonfire from Denise Audio. This is a tonal compressor with what they're calling shape technology. Dragonfire has an easy-to-use equalizer with push-pull graph, but it offers more freedom and simplicity than a standard multiband compressor, and this helps to speed up your workflow and add creativity to your productions. Dragonfire allows you to get vintage tone and color, and you can also make it sound transparent as well. You can get Denise Dragonfire on Mac and Windows with the price starting at just under $50. Alright, now let's look at some current deals, and first up is the free plugin with purchase from Plugin Boutique. Purchase any plugin on Plugin Boutique before March 31st, and you'll get AudioThing Wavebox for free. And this is an interesting dynamic wave shaping distortion plugin that's available on both Mac and Windows systems, and it typically goes for $49, so it's not a bad plugin to grab for free while you can. Next in deals is the Spring Into Sound sale from Sweetwater. And this sale gives you up to 75% off select items, plus special 0% financing available on tons of gear. And one of the things that stood out to me right away, and I actually purchased because of the price, is the AKG C214 condenser microphone. It's $50 off at the moment, and I've been eyeing up that mic for quite a while, so I had to grab it at that price. And there's a bunch of other mics, audio interfaces, plugins, and gear on sale. It's worth checking out, and I've included a link to the deals page down in the description, so you can easily hop over there and check it out for yourself. All right, now let's have a look at this week's plugins worth checking out. And first up this week is Softube's Mic E-Comp. This is from the Softube Empirical Labs collection, featuring a preamp with crunchy distortion, a multi-stage soft clipping circuit saturator, and a compressor based on the legendary ELI Distressor hardware unit. It's available on Mac and Windows with the current price of $199. Now let's test it out.
Night and you're mad at me again. If you were the queen of hearts, I'd be off with my head. Oh yeah. I don't know what I said, I don't know what I did, but you think I should be bowing to your feet, oh yeah.
The next plugin worth checking out this week is WA Production Vocal Splitter. What I like about WA Production is that they make some really useful and great sounding plugins that don't cost a lot of money, which is what this is. Basically, Vocal Splitter takes your mono vocal track, it beefs it up and turns it into a stereo track that can really stand out in your mix. It can also add some drive and filtering as well. It's available on Mac and Windows and goes for $29.
Night and it's off with my head. If you're looking for a reaction, you won't find it here. Cause I don't care, I don't know what I said, I don't know what I did. Do you think I should be bowing to your feet, oh yeah.
Now before I get into the free plugins of the week, I just want to ask if you're enjoying this episode of the Home Studio Show, can you please give it a thumbs up? It really helps my channel out and I appreciate it so much. Now the first free plugin of the week is the Analog Obsession Rare BPB Edition Passive EQ. This one is inspired by the classic Pultec style EQ. It features a pre-EQ gain stage that allows you to saturate your audio before it gets to the EQ, and it features 2 frequency bands with separate boost and attenuation controls for each section. Rare is available on Mac and Windows, so let's give it a try. The next free plugin of the week is Tabletops from Reflekt Audio. Now, I'm sure you've tapped some beats out on your desk or on your table at some point. I know I do it all the time, and this plugin has turned that into an instrument, so why not? I know I use that to come up with the foundation for songs and beats, and now I can incorporate the sound of that into the songs. You get various articulations from pen hits, table bar hits, closing the table, and so much more. Tabletops has character, texture, punch, and unique sounds. Plus, it has onboard effects for easy shaping of the sounds and round-robin sampling style. I found this plugin to be surprisingly useful. Tabletops is available on Mac and Windows, and now let's give it a test drive. If you want to check out 50 more free VST instrument plugins, click up here, or click down here to see what YouTube recommends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more episodes of The Home Studio Show. Thank you so much for watching for The Home Studio Show and Audio Tech TV. I'm Zane, keep creating, and we'll talk soon.